So we landed in Shanghai early in the morning because we left Hong Kong, so it was like a 4-hour flight. So we got to Shanghai and it was an experience going through customs, which we'll kind of talk about a little bit in the video, but we were pretty tired by this point. So our actual cab driver that we got drove off a curb and just avoided like a toll booth thing, and so we were pretty stressed out because we were like, oh my gosh, is this where we need to be going? Are we in the right type of taxi? So we were stressed out by this point, but we finally got to the Shanghai Disneyland Hotel and we got to check in and check out the hotel a little bit. So as you can see, the hotel is beautiful, but it also has a lot of musical driven art and architecture, whatnot. It has a lot of Fantasia feel to it. So this little lounge was obviously from Fantasia, and so was the cafe. It was fantastic. We actually ate there. They're connected, and we had probably one of our favorite meals in Shanghai here. It was right as we first checked in. We went and they opened up and we got to sit down and eat, and it was really, really good. So we definitely recommend eating there. But all the statues and all the pictures and stuff they're Disney themed, but there's a lot of Fantasia, a lot of music theme, and that was pretty cool to see. So we're finally at Shanghai Disney.
I'm so stressed.
We are extremely stressed out. Going through any sort of customs and pretty much immigration or whatever they call it was
Awful.
it was absolutely awful. The taxi ride was interesting.
Yep.
He just legit just drove off a curb. He did not even care. We were all like, look over at Kelly, and she's like,
are we going the right direction? Are we going the right direction?
but we're here, so our room's not ready. We actually have to sign in a little bit before 3 to make Galaxy's Edge reservations. So we have to go eat really quick and then come back. But that's like the only thing that I think we were like scheduled we had to do. But I really want to explore. This is actually really pretty. We're gonna go to Disney Town.
Oh, and it feels so much nicer.
Oh, it does. It's not as humid. It's warm, but it's like,
It's not humid
no.
like Hong Kong.
Hong Kong was pretty terribly humid. So I'm excited. All right.
Yay.
Cute and Mickey. Aww. It's all music inspired. It's all music inspired. So all of the rooms, just like Hong Kong, came with little robes, some little slippers. It did come with a reusable bag, or a bag that you saw people carrying around a lot in the park. So I honestly think that's kind of a status thing. I have no clue, but we saw a lot of people carrying the bags around in the park, and I was like, why would you want to carry a bag around the park? Because I guess we're just so used to it and not wanting anything in our hands when we're at our theme parks here. So it was kind of interesting. So we actually did not go to Disney Town. We went straight to the park and we got signed in, and we kind of explored a little bit. And so we took the little boat, that looked like a little friendship boat, across the water, because that's what this hotel actually has, a boat, or you can walk. And so we took the little boat across, we got signed in, and then got to explore Shanghai Disney a little bit. So we're extremely disappointed with this. Is not only just massive, but it's like so uniquely themed and amazing, and it's so bothersome that the US parks can't get even half of this. I mean, Walt Disney World gets a lot of it, but Disneyland, I mean, it's just gorgeous.
I'm speechless.
Just wait till you see. It is absolutely phenomenal. One of the most amazing places I've seen. I'm like, what is happening?
I am without speech.
Beautiful. Don't know what's going on. We didn't either, so at least we're in the same boat.
同在，
literally.
带着他去感动世界吧，激发属于你自己的精彩故事。再见。
So we started to get kind of hungry, so we were like, oh, well, maybe we should just head on out and call it a day. So we actually kind of walked around the park a little bit more and really didn't film, so I apologize. But we just kind of took everything in and kind of saw where we wanted to see the next couple of days, because we were here for a full 2 days and then a half day, which was today, the first day that we were there. So we got to walk around a little bit, see what it was all about. The boys went and rode Astro Blasters, and then we actually went to downtown Disney, or their Disney town, and we ate at a very exclusive restaurant called the Cheesecake Factory, and that is where we ended our night. So we finished out our night there and then headed back to the hotel, and part 2 will be up soon.
我们会永远感谢你的。
正在为你们准备太空巡逻艇，你们的太空巡逻艇使用了最尖端的科技，2位飞行员。